What's up guys, welcome to today's video. We are heading to OSW. We got a private little drift day. We're taking the big rig. We got some cool stuff in store in there, but I am thinking about doing a couple laps in the Supra, so stay tuned. Let's see if someone can convince me to take this thing out, because it would be pretty crazy on 305 R888s, but I think I'm willing to give it a shot. So we're gonna hop in the toter, the other guys are gonna drive over the Supra, and then we're gonna have a bunch of stuff to play with. It's gonna be a good day. Now before we get to the track, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Movement. Now they've got you covered this holiday season, which is already here, with hundreds of awesome watches, blue light glasses, sunglasses, and tons of different jewelry styles to choose from. Use them as stocking stuffers, they'll make a great gift or just look better when you're going to your holiday outing. But they've made it super easy for you with their specially curated gift boxes. His and her gift guides and super quick shipping right to your door in time for the holidays. Their watches are designed in-house, they're super sleek, and they won't break the bank. Starting at just $95, you can get yourself a very clean and sleek, well put together product from Movement. Believe it or not, right now they've sold almost 2 million watches in over 160 different countries. So you guys know they give me a special deal to give to you guys, which is perfect for this holiday season. You can get 15% off with free shipping just by going to movement.com/LZ. If you're not getting your holiday bonus till next week, but you want to get the watch now, they do offer buy now, pay later with Klarna payments, where you can actually make 4 easy payments with no fees. So that's a pretty cool option for you guys. Once again, it's just movement.com/LZ. Check out what they've got and join the movement. I want to give a massive thank you to them again for sponsoring this video. And I guess when we resume, we'll be at the track. Welcome to today's video, guys. We are rolling up on Orlando Speed World. We are doing a private day like last time, where all the YouTube people in town, we're all going to OSW and doing some drifting. Obviously, we didn't tell you guys about it because it needs to be a private day for like liability reasons and stuff. It would have cost a fortune to do a public event here. So we're doing it low-key just so we can all film some videos, get to drive our cars, and have some fun while everyone's in town together. So, piloting the old trusty Z over. But I'm gonna be driving a couple other cars today too. So TJ's car didn't make it here today.
Nope, it's broken, and so we just left it. It ain't gonna be.
Well, I saw you rolled over with Cletus. Are you gonna be drifting this thing today?
Yeah, he's trying to get me into the Crown Vic, but I said I won't touch it.
Nah.
No, I'm gonna drive it today. I think we're all driving it today.
Are we?
He's pretty excited for everyone to drive it.
Hey, dude. There's Adam. Hey, Adam.
Hi.
How are you today?
You look great.
Thanks.
This thing smells good. You got air fresheners in here?
It's got grape additive in the E90.
Ah. Well, would you look what was inside of the rig?
I'm a happy boy.
I still remember when I drove that car and it's highlighter yellow and still an HR, so it's cool seeing it now. And one thing that TJ's been bugging me about, he's wanted nothing more than me to run the S15 with him, so even though the head gasket's kind of a little sketchy right now, we did bring it to try to do some laps with TJ. Alright, so Grant's in the car with me, and we're gonna give the new Chaser setup a try. I haven't drifted it since the new trans. Different diff setup, different tire setup, different wheel setup.
Oh, so you changed a bunch.
Now it's got power steering, where before it was like faulting out.
Huh.
Yeah. There's like a solenoid in these, so if you don't have it wired up.
What is it? It goes to full stiff if you don't have the solenoid in?
So hopefully she'll be good. Sauce.
A little too much sauce.
Ooh, I think it might be binding in the front.
On the wheel?
Maybe.
Try to throw a little shallower. See if it won't lock up like that.
You know what I think it is?
What?
I think the front alignment needs a little more toe out.
Oh, okay. Is it not self-steering that much?
No.
kept up.
It's unbelievable.
What the fuck?
Unbelievable, dude. Unbelievable. I was like, what is going on here?
My 4-door Japanese sedan kept up with that FD car. Wow.
Yo, that was good, dude. As soon as you entered with him, I like grabbed the seat and I was like, oh, we're going for it. Oh, that was awesome.
Usually I try to follow those guys and they just leave me. They must be running like...
You want to see if it's rubbing still?
Yeah, we probably should, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, how much power does this thing make? 900 something. So technically speaking, other than Leroy, this will be the highest horsepower car I've ever drifted.
Oh, perfect.
Let's do it. And it doesn't look like it's got that much grip either. Whoa!
This thing will work, you just gotta yank it.
Okay.
Not well.
Oh, I lost the gas pedal.
What?
Where'd it go? The gas pedal literally fell off, dude.
Hold on, I'm gonna put it back on.
I knew that wasn't just in my head. It kept moving when I was trying. Yeah, we got it! Woo! Woo! That was fun, man.
Good job, man. Good job. Having no e-brake or no handbrake.
Is that alright that we spit a little coolant?
Oh, dude. Totally good.
Okay.
I usually empty the whole coolant.
Thanks for letting me drive this thing, man.
Yeah, dude. I wish it could have been better because it really does do a better job. When
Oh, it was still pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how this thing handles a real drift track. With R888s in the back.
What's done to this?
Just bolt-ons. Wow! I forgot how much this thing is fast.
A lot of grip, man.
Yeah. Hopefully I don't crash it.
Please don't.
I don't know if I should heat up the tires or...
It's always good to do a burnout.
Yeah, never hurts. So hopefully she doesn't shift for us. That's my biggest concern.
Man. Oh, is it auto shift?
Sometimes. Alright, let's see, brother. accidentally shifted. Yo, it kind of lurks third gear.
Not bad.
Oh, I almost connected to the hard part.
It's got that bottom end torque. It's not really bottom, but
Yeah, so she likes third. I might try that again real quick.
I mean, we didn't die the first time, so.
It's crazy how much grip it has.
I would ball tap it.
Let's go!
That's fourth.
Hell yeah!
That was fourth gear. You saw the whole second half was fourth?
Yeah, no, I saw.
I can't believe it loves it like that.
Dude, this thing's good, huh?
Yeah, pretty good.
I wonder how good it launches with these tires on it. Well, I don't want to piss that guy off.
Alberto's car sounds crazy.
I'm pumped on that.
For a long time.
Dude, with 305 R888s, that thing is the fastest car I've ever driven.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's not triple A's.
Dude, I was in third too.
Really?
Yeah. So fast.
The Supra?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Jimmy, did you see me ripping the Supra?
Yeah, we were all sitting there just like,
We looked at each other like, that was awesome.
We've driven a bunch today, but we haven't driven together yet.
we never have. We're gonna make it happen.
So, TJ's all out of tire, but I'm gonna give him some of my tires. So, I don't know if it'll be more grippy or less grippy than what you're used to.
No idea.
I've got a brand new set of these that we can put on your car.
Okay.
So you're gonna have some special powers with those wheels.
You want me to be in the front or you to be in the front? When we do me in the front first?
Yeah, no, I think that's what we should do because my car's like kind of absurdly fast. I'm sure, I mean, we can try both.
I don't think I'll be able to catch it.
The problem is like this car just billows smoke, and if you get lost in the smoke, it
I
gets
don't wanna
dicey.
do that either.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna try to get a photo because I have a feeling that like people probably won't like that. Ooh, TJ. Ooh, doctor.
Look at that, man.
Oh, baby.
Oh, doctor, dude. team flex out here.
Woo!
With some forged.
Look at that curb rash, dude. What'd you do to my wheels?
Yeah, I dropped it. I didn't think you'd see that.
How'd you do that without even driving on them, brother?
Let's talk about it, Adam.
Okay.
I'm gonna go. You're gonna come in on me. I'm gonna have a GoPro here. I want a spicy photo. I'm gonna try not to get scared. I'm a little nervous.
I don't know where the spice is gonna be, but
I need you to get some spice.
I feel like the best corner for me to stack up with you is gonna be that one.
So I'm gonna come through. And I'm gonna be just a super not wide line, but super fluid. I'm just gonna hold the same angle and maybe correct if I want to get a little closer to the
Just
wall.
don't stop.
Yeah. You know, I was thinking about stopping, but I'll probably.
All right, I appreciate you. That was an awesome day. Me and TJ got our photo that we wanted. I got to drive with a lot of people. Shulman. I got to door Shulman, and I got it on GoPro.
I didn't know you hit me?
Yeah. What the heck? I didn't hit, dude. I like so gently applied pressure.
That's the best thing ever.
I know, but I was scared because I did it right when you were like almost on the wall. So if you went too deep, that would have been bad.
Listen, like I've driven up like pro cars, but like you have been a pro car. I'm sitting, I'm like, oh my god, don't fuck up, don't mess up, and like, oh, it was wild. That was sick.
It's funny because I wasn't following that close, but I would just kind of transition early in the last corner and just drive into you.
Yeah, it's dope.
Dude, I was debating whether or not to do it, but I had the perfect opportunity to like just
you can always do what you
gently kiss it.
I was stoked. That was sick.
You can probably buff that out if you want.
Nah, I was saying.
Hell yeah. That was fun. It was a great day. We'll probably resume this video back at the house chilling. I gotta go run and drop my friend off at the airport, so I'm gonna dip out of here. We're probably gonna go get some food, but it was a blast. Got to drive so many different cars. I drove the Supra on the skip pad. Everyone got to take laps in the cars. It was a blast.